Hello, you are welcome to today's session. So in today's session, we are going to look at the multiplication aspect of polynomial functions. All right, we've looked at the addition, the subtraction. So we are looking at the multiplication. So the question here is saying, I'm just using this one to explain to you how the multiplication is done. Now, when I was talking about addition and subtraction, I said that it's more about grouping like terms. And that is the same concept that you need to understand when it comes to what algebra. So if you understand algebra, polynomial shouldn't be something that it should be a challenge. Of course, sometimes there are one or two things that you need to know to understand, but I'm just trying to say that if you have an understanding of algebra, polynomial will be a little bit easy for you. Okay, so now here the question is saying that find f of x dot j of what? X. So you have the whole f of x dot j of x. What it means that they are multiplied. Unlike let's say algebra, they would have written x plus 2. Find the product of x plus 2, x plus 3, or probably simplify. I mean, it's still the same thing. So here what you're going to do is that I'm going to write this one, which the f of x stands for. So you have 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 multiplying 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. Okay, so with the understanding that you've received from algebra, what you are going to do is that this one will multiply the whole of that. This one also multiply it. This one also multiply it. So you have 2x squared multiplying 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. Then you have 4x multiplying 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. Then you have 2 multiplying 3x squared plus 5x plus 4. Now this will multiply this, and that will give you 6 x raised to the power 4. Now even with this one, you need to even understand indices. Okay, now the principle of indices says that I'm talking about the first law. It says that, let's say that you have an index here, another one here, another one here, and let's say that they are multiplying and the base are the same. What you do is that you write one of them and add the powers. So you have m plus b. So what is happening here is that you have x squared times x squared. The base are the same. So I write one of them, then add the powers, and that will give me x raised to the power 4. So that same understanding is what you are using to solve what you have over here. So the topics in mathematics are such that you don't treat one topic and say that you are done with it. You need to really have a full grasp on it, because the knowledge that you have acquired from one topic, chances are you may have to apply it in another topic, and that is how mathematics is. Okay, now let's look at this. So let's continue. You have 2x square multiplying this one, that will give you plus 10x to the power 3. So I'll multiply this, so you have 8x squared. 4x will multiply this, that will give you 12x cubed. This one will multiply this, that will give you 20x squared. Multiply this, that will give you 16x. So this time this, that will become 6x squared. This one, I'll give you 10x. This one, I'll give you 8. So after that, what you're going to do is you're going to group like terms. So this is power 4. Is there, so you ask yourself, is there any power 4 in it again? No, so you write it 6x raised to the power 4. Then you come to power 3. This is power 3. Is there any power 3 in it again? Power 3. You look through, no. So this 10 plus that will give you 22x raised to the power 3. Then when you're done, you come to power 2. This is power 2, power 2, power 2. So this plus that is 28, okay, plus this, that will give you 34x raised to the power 2. Then you come to this and that, Yes, they are the x, so that will give you 26x. Then you have 8, and this will be your final answer. I hope I was able to help you to go about with the multiplication. And this is for just question 1. Now, can you try with question 2? Okay, just try and let me know your answer at the comment section. But all the same, I'm still going to solve it with you. Let me clean this side. So you can pause the video and try and solve question 2, okay? Then, then after that, you resume to see how I solved it, okay? Whether you were able to do it. So that is P of x dot Q of x. All right. So that is 2x plus 4. Then you have x plus 3. So the same approach, you have 2x multiplying x plus 3. So here what I'm doing is I'm using the distributive property to go about with the whole thing. Then you have 4x plus 3. This times that will give you 2x squared. This times this, that will give you 6x. This times this, that will give you 4x. This times that will give you 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to group like terms, okay? But when I look at this, I look here is just only x squared. So I write it 2x squared, x here, x here. When you add it, that will give you 10x, and you have your 12. And this